This is a bosogram, short and to the point. How to use your assignment planner. Using your assignment planner is one of the most beneficial habits for you to develop. An assignment planner is not a school thing, it's a life tool. Successful individuals write down, prioritize, and plan what they must accomplish. Lee Iacocca, the former leader of the Ford Motor Company and later the Chrysler Corporation, stated, "The discipline of writing something down is the first step toward making it happen." Using a planner can be summarized by the following. Write in your planner properly, read what you wrote, and do what is written. Let's start with writing in your planner. The saying is, the shortest pencil is better than the longest memory. Students who tell themselves the big lie that they'll remember all that needs to be completed without writing it down are the very ones who do not meet deadlines and who get overwhelmed. So here's what you need to do regarding writing your to-do list in your assignment planner. First, take your assignment planner to every class every day and take it home each day. Second, write in your planner as directed by your teachers. In my school, our school management system is RenWeb. Teachers post on RenWeb by Friday for the following week. To be ready for the week ahead, you must take a few minutes over the weekend to update your planner. You must also know how to access RenWeb on your own as well as know your password. Just in case you forget your password, which can happen over a holiday break, write your password in your planner on a date that means something for you. For example, December 23rd is the date I got my 2 puppies, so I might choose that date to write my password. Make sure the date is meaningful to you, and don't tell anyone where you wrote the password. Remember that the internet postings on RenWeb are whatever student information system your school uses, such as Advance, GradeLink, or My School, may need to be changed. Life happens, plans change. Your teachers will let you know if a change needs to be made in your planner, which is one reason why you must always have your planner with you. Third, use abbreviations. It will save you time. Use a Q for quiz, T for test, and an S for study. What other abbreviations can you use? Invent your own abbreviations. Simply make sure they make sense to you and would also make sense to someone looking at them. While your abbreviations will save you time, remember that regardless of how long it takes to update your planner, getting the habit of using your planner correctly will save you time as well as help you do better in life. Fourth, you must write down something for every class every day. Even if there's nothing posted on the internet for a specific date, there's always something you can do. You can study, update your notebook, make flashcards, read. While writing none or no homework is an option, the better option is to dedicate a little time to the course. Here's another important point. It is critical for you to understand the relationship between do, D-O, and do, D-U-E. If you do not do your assignments in a timely manner, you will not meet the due date. While due dates are very important, you must also understand that you should never just write down a due date. You must break down the do, D-U-E, into chunks of what you need to do, D-O. Here's an example based on a common situation for students. Let's say you have a language arts assignment to read a book and complete a project on the book. The assignment is due in 3 weeks. The book has 200 pages. Therefore, you'll need to read 14 to 15 pages a day in order to complete the book in 2 weeks and allow yourself time to complete the major assignment. Rather than writing in your planner book report due November 15th, for each date leading up to the due date, write what you need to do. In this case, you write read 15 pages on each date for 2 weeks, and then the next week, write each step of what you need to do to complete the project with time to spare. Always leave a little room between completion of your project and the due date so you have time to proofread and ensure that you follow directions. Remember, inch by inch, life's a cinch. Yard by yard, life is hard. Break your due dates down into manageable dues. Fifth, now here's the most fun of writing down your assignments. Okay, well maybe I'm exaggerating about the fun. As you complete a task written in your planner, highlight it. It's so satisfying to see items completed. Have fun with this. Use a different color highlighter for different classes. Create a rainbow of completion. Now that you've conquered writing down assignments in your planner, Let's move to the next step of reading your planner. First, read your planner before you leave school so that you take home the textbooks, notebooks, and other supplies you need to complete your assignments. Second, read your planner when you get home and lay out the supplies you'll need in the order you plan to do your assignments. Stay tuned for more on how to complete your homework effectively and efficiently. Third, do the assignments. Remember to highlight each item once you've completed it. Once you've completed your assignments, repack your backpack and place it by the door you exit from in the morning. Lastly, here's a helpful hint so that you have quick access to the page you need. Use a binder clip to keep your planner marked to the correct page. Let's review. 1. Bring your planner to each class and take it home daily. 2. Write in it consistently and correctly. 3. Read what you have written. 4. Do what needs to be done so that you meet due dates. This has been a Bozogram, short and to the point. Check out my other organizational and study aid videos on my YouTube channel, Bozogram. Thanks for viewing!